Sir, I asked you a question,
I told you.
so,
I am not,
sir,
I'm not.
sir,
under your
stop
jurisdiction.
talking over me. I'm going to ask you a question and you're going to answer the question.
I don't understand.
So I'm asking you, were you here when the rights video was played not once but twice this morning, sir? Do you understand the English language?
You do not have jurisdiction over me. If you look at the documentation.
Answer my question. 26, 2023 CR 16 and 26, 2023 CR 50. Present in court, Attorney Mary Depute for the state.
I'm here by special appearance as the executor.
Please have a seat. Please have a seat. Mr. Jacobson is personally present and without counsel. Sir, good morning. Were you present in court when your rights were read to you earlier?
Sir, I don't consent to this hearing because of lack of jurisdiction of the court over me. I'm not a 14th Amendment citizen anymore. It's in my documentation that no one ever reads.
Sir, I asked you a question.
I told you.
So,
I am not,
sir,
I'm not.
sir,
under your
stop
jurisdiction.
talking over me. I'm going to ask you a question and you're going to answer the question.
I don't understand.
So I'm asking you, were you here when the rights video was played not once but twice this morning?
I was here.
Do you understand the rights as they were read to you?
I don't stand under anybody.
I'm asking if you understand the rights that were played for you.
I don't understand.
Okay, so let's talk about what you do and don't understand, sir. Do you understand the English language?
You do not have jurisdiction over me. If you look at the documentation.
Answer my question, sir.
You do not have jurisdiction over me.
Answer the question, sir. Do you understand the English language?
I don't understand.
Okay, so I'm asking you if you understand the English language.
I don't stand under anybody.
Sir, I'm asking you if you understand English. I asked the question in English. You responded in English. I think you understand.
What's your answer?
But I'm making a record, sir, to make sure that we're clear.
My record is you don't have jurisdiction over me.
And
I'm not a 14th Amendment
Sir.
citizen, person or resident.
sir,
You even know what I've done? I've changed my jurisdiction. I've gotten out of the jurisdiction of the water and I'm back on the land where
sir,
I'm alive. I'm a living, breathing soul. And you cannot contract with me anyways.
yeah, I'm not contracting with you at all. I'm asking you if you
That's what this court is trying to
Sir,
do.
stop talking out of turn. Are we clear? I'm asking you, do you understand the English language?
You've answered that already.
So your answer is yes, you understand.
You answered it.
I'm asking you to answer it, sir.
You've answered it yourself.
It's not for me to decide. It's for you to put on the record whether you understand the English language or not. Do you understand what I'm saying to you?
I don't stand under anybody.
That wasn't the question.
We're not going to get anywhere. You do not have jurisdiction over me.
Sir,
If you would read my affidavit,
were you present in court when your rights were read to you earlier?
I've been in court many times and I've heard those rights.
And so you understand those rights.
I don't stand under anybody.
That wasn't the question. Do you understand?
You're asking me to do. I don't stand under you.
Sir, you've already said you made a special appearance. So I'm asking you if you understand. Do you understand?
I comprehend them.
Okay, comprehension is good enough. You comprehend them. All right. Do you comprehend that you have the right to an attorney?
I don't need an attorney.
Do you comprehend that you have the right to either an appointed attorney if you financially qualify for one, the right to hire an attorney of your choosing, or the right to represent yourself if you can do so knowingly, voluntarily, and intelligently?
I don't consent to this hearing because I'm not under your jurisdiction. I'm
Sir?
under the jurisdiction of the land.
I
Not in the
understand.
jurisdiction of,
Sir?
of your contract law.
Okay. Do you comprehend your rights to an attorney?
I don't need an attorney.
Has anyone threatened you, forced
No one has
you?
threatened me.
So let me finish before you start talking. Sir,
I've been here the last 7 times.
stop.
Nothing has happened. Read the
Stop,
file.
sir. Stop interrupting. Stop trying to talk over me. I'm asking you a question. Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or coerced you, or in any way made any promises to you in order to get you to waive your right to an attorney?
No one has.
Thank you. So we are here today for a number of dispositional conferences. A dispositional conference is a conference set to determine how you intend to proceed.
Your Honor, if I could interject, I'm sorry, but I think there's a little more complexity to this procedural posture. In case 16, the defendant had filed a motion to dismiss. The motion to dismiss, a response was filed with the state on June 28th. At the last status conference, the defendant wished to raise the same motion in all 3 of his cases. At that time, it had not been served in the 2 remaining cases. Although the motion still has not been served, it has been filed in the 2 remaining cases. And so I believe that there is a pending motion before the court in all 3 cases.
So this wasn't noticed as a motion hearing. Rule 3.2 requires that the moving party file a notice of motion declaring whether or not the motion is to be heard for oral argument, to be heard for an evidentiary hearing, or to be considered under briefs. That notice of motion wasn't filed, requesting a hearing. So today it's not properly before the court, even if it was properly served.
I brought it to the court.
Sir,
I could not get a hold of Ms. Pugh. She would not.
So stop. This is where I'm talking. So those motions have not been served. So technically, even if the state's filed a response, they're not ripe for the court's consideration. So the court is not going to take up motions. Furthermore, these are Judge Naram's cases. I'm not going to rule on motions in Judge Naram's case or cases that are not properly before the court and noticed for hearing. So as far as the court's concerned, all that's before it today properly is a dispositional conference. Sir, you have 5 options at a dispositional conference. You can schedule it for a jury trial. You can request a bench trial. And if the prosecutor agrees and the court agrees, the court can schedule it as a bench trial. You can request a continuance. You can change your pleas from not guilty to guilty today. Or you, lastly, can choose to schedule a change of plea for a later date.
Well, let's do a continuance until Judge Naram gets the case so he can make a decision on it.
All right. So what I told you before is right now those issues aren't properly before the court because they haven't been served properly following the rules.
We'll serve them properly. We'll just do a continuance then.
All right. Ms. Depute, your thoughts?
That seems appropriate to me. I believe at the last, maybe there are not notes on the docket. I believe it was contemplated by the previous judge that this would be a motion hearing. It was discussed at that time. The state is ready to proceed. But if Your Honor doesn't wish to hear it today, then I believe continue it until Judge Naram could hear the motion would be appropriate.
So, okay.
Could he make a decision before you even go back to trial? I suppose I have to file that.
Yes. So Judge Naram's next court date in McIntosh County is 6 weeks away.
That'll be fine.
It's November 13.
We can't get nothing done if there's another judge here. Got to have Judge Naram.
Well, he is assigned to these cases, and typically once a judge has been assigned, unless there's an agreement or stipulation between the parties, I'm not going to sign a motion or consider a motion that wasn't on the docket as a motion hearing. So I will continue this matter, all 3 matters, for a dispositional conference and a motion hearing for November 13, 2023, before Judge Naram. It'll be set at 9:30 a.m., but I'm sure Judge Naram will call that case last. Just so you're aware of that. Mr. Jacobson, it probably will be late morning before that motion is heard. Ultimately, Judge Narum will be able to decide the motions, assuming that they are properly before the court at that time. And so that means proper service, proper notice of motion. You'll need to file a 3.2 notice of motion that declares whether it's for evidentiary hearing purposes, oral argument hearing purposes, or both. And at that time, Judge Narum can make decisions. So that'll be the decision of the court today. Continuance in all three files until November 13 before Judge Narum at 9:30 a.m. Anything else, Ms. Depew?
To clear up part of the record, in case 16, it was noticed as a motion hearing. I understand the judge's ruling. I just want to make sure that what's represented is correct. But other than that, I have no further comment.
Yeah, 'cause I remember him telling me to file motions for the other three, to put them all three on the same day.
Yeah. So as a matter of judicial economy, even if it was, it's not an odyssey. The code that I was looking at isn't an odyssey saying that it was a motion hearing. But the notice of hearing document